These PCBs were designed by someone like you. See, from time to time I design my own electronic projects for my RC airplanes, my drones, or even just for fun. And the only way to make it happen at a very low cost and high quality is with PCBway. PCBway is a specialized company in the production of printed circuit boards. If you're looking for producing a small amount of PCBs, the prices are very low, and the production time can be measured in hours. So if you're a student, a hobbyist, or whatever kind of electronic creator, PCBway is the solution. But not only for small creators, PCBway can also make large quantities. And they offer other services, like SMD stencil production, component assembly, flexible PCBs, and they can also design your own PCB. For hobbyists like me, they have a large online community where you can find open source projects with already designed PCBs, and you can also share your project there. Again, quality is of a very high standard. Every design is checked before production, and during the production there are several quality checks to ensure the board is optimal. My favorite check is done by a really fast automated machine that checks the continuity of traces. So if you want your PCB, just visit PCBway.com.